gonna be 3 rounds.
Young and broke.
Hi guys, I am here today with my friend Parker. She is known as Stories in the Dust on YouTube. You should go check out her channel. We did a video over on her channel where we played the Don't Break the Chain game. We were bad at it. It's great. Today, I don't know if I'm making this up or if other people have done it, but we are gonna do the balloon animal challenge. There it is. There's gonna be 3 rounds, and the first 2 rounds we're gonna make things out of the pamphlet that came in the thing that I bought. And then the 3rd round,
Really horrible directions.
yeah, really bad directions. And the 3rd round is gonna be whatever floats your boat round. And I bought something for the winner.
Oh no.
So whoever wins,
Am I saying it now? Is it the,
yeah, you're gonna
is the
see
reveal
the
now?
reveal's right now. Whoever
my gosh.
wins is
Oh,
gonna
no.
win this.
Oh my god, what is it?
It's a giant magnetic mustache.
Oh god, I'm scared. This is gonna pop, I know it. Look
Dog.
at how much pressure there is on the end of this guy here.
There is a lot.
I can't get it to go away either.
Okay, Mark.
Wait, I don't know what the directions are. Where are they?
Get
Right
set.
there?
This one right there.
Oh, okay, okay.
Build your dog.
Oh god. How do we do this?
Oh god. I hate these noises.
Oh god. Sweet Jesus.
Oh.
Even God. Like, I don't know.
Look at it.
Why do you have so, like, why does my hair, like, he's got a little nub?
It's because your face is so much. Look at mine.
I am so proud of myself right now.
Look at his face.
You know
Wow. I'm clowns.
so proud of myself right now.
My roommate Nicole is being the.
Can it be a tie?
No,
pressure.
because someone has to. There's
Somebody
only 3
has to
rounds.
win.
Someone has to win. But you have to make a decision.
They both look perfect.
One's more perfecter than the other. So.
No pressure. But you, I was like, you have to live with that one.
I won the first round.
First round. I just feel like there's so many jokes to be made this whole time.
Get set.
Oh my god, I don't know how to do this.
Go.
Go. We're both really apprehensive. We're like,
We're both like,
"No."
is that? I don't get direction 3.
3.
Where is that?
I'm gonna give it a good old college try. Here. Stay. No!
1, done. Parker won because hers is yellow and a B's yellow.
Oh, come on!
Suck it, Deanna.
Alright, so it's whoever wins this last one. Get set, go.
Go.
I do this the first one.
No. Did you practice last night, you son of a... Kind of reminiscent of like having a child on your shoulders.
Okay.
We got its arms. It doesn't have a head. That was not part of the requirements.
Okay.
So
very fancy princess hat. It kind of looks like a wizard hat.
cut a little bit.
Okay, very fancy
It's got like
wizard
lots
hat.
of adornments here. It's like a little bit
Yeah.
of embellishments.
Okay, cool. So wizard hat,
Could also be.
child on shoulder.
I mean, I went for the simplistic approach.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm gonna go with Parker.
Oh! Beat on your own channel.
I feel like this potentially was a hat that one may have worn to the royal wedding. So make sure you go check out Parker's channel. We did a video over there. Go check it out. Give things thumbs up, subscribe. Also, I don't know when we put this video up, so this might not go in, but Young and Broke right now is just like 4 or 5 subscribers away from 500 subscribers.
Woo!
So, tell your
Bless.
friends to go subscribe.